Good job, Charlie. You wear your own cap, your socks, and the shoes, right? Wow, you're a big boy. You're a big boy na, baby. Baby ka pa rin ni Mommy, di ba?
Right.
Mm.
That side.
Good job na si Baby Charlie. Kasi nakakapaglagay na siya ng socks, ng shoes, and the cap. Come na. Let's go na. It's going to rain na.
No, he's got here. That's rain. I told you, teacher, that rain and go away. Darling, teacher, rain and go away. Darling, teacher, rain. I told you, teacher, cat.
Oh, Teacher Kat told you that song. I tell you that song, sa... Come here.